This video will show how to upload genetic lines, sometimes referred to as germplasms, together with their names and attributes. Note that these names and attributes are not and should not be confused with traits data measured for these lines. Upload of traits data will be demonstrated in the Study Upload wizard. Here, names and attributes refer to any information generally available on these lines. For instance, here I have a typical input file. The first column provides a unique line name. Then there's another name that is recognized by the users and another column for the nickname. Then we have the attributes columns, like the source, generation, and so on. A file may have any combination of names and attributes. To upload the file into the system, I go to Uploads, Germplasm. Here I click on Browse and select the file. The file's content is now displayed, so I can make sure if it is the correct file. Then I click on Next. This window shows the column names of the file, and we need to drag them to the appropriate fields on the right. The column line name goes to the first field, which is the main name of the line. Common name, which is an alternative name, goes to the second field. The column's nickname and accession are other alternative names, so they go to the names field. Generation is an attribute which has a dedicated specific field. The same is true for source and method. Description and gene bank are attributes without a dedicated field, so we can put them in the General Attributes field. Then click Next. This page displays the columns that were classified as additional names and attributes. Here I need to specify the exact name or attribute type for each of these columns. This is done by selecting the type from the list. And then save. The other tab provides the information that was loaded from the file. Then I click on Check Workbook to see if there are any errors. If there are none, I can click on the commit and then provide a name for this list. Let's say Lines 2011, and then click OK. With this, I finish the uploading process. Now, going to the Browse Germplasm Sets, I can see the newly created list. Selecting the list will display all lines in it. Right-clicking over here and choosing the full view will show all names and attributes that were uploaded from the file. Columns with green icons are names and red icons are attributes. I can also drag the list into the appropriate folder. Upon a click on a line, we're moved into its details page, where we can see its basic information as well as names and attributes.